Dr. Reed, is everything alright? You look like you've seen a ghost.
The data doesn't make sense. We're seeing a surge in CD4 plus T-cell activity, but not in response to a germ. It's strange. And the cytokine profiles? It's as if the immune system is attacking itself.
This is disturbing. I've never seen anything like this before. Have you checked for anything that shouldn't be there?
Of course, we've checked everything many times. It's not contamination. It's something else. Something important is wrong.
Warning, someone has broken into the sample storage area. Warning, someone has broken into the sample storage area.
This isn't a coincidence. Someone's messing with our research on purpose.
Dr. Reed, we got a report about a problem. Security cameras show someone came into the lab without permission. Can you tell me what exactly was taken?
So you're not talking about stolen equipment, you're talking about biological samples, and this is somehow related to how our bodies fight off sickness? That's right. Something that suggests our body's defenses may be turning against us. This could be bigger than a break-in. It could be dangerous.
And someone clearly knew what they were looking for. These weren't just any samples.
We have a mystery here, and it's happening inside our bodies. This is no longer just a scientific puzzle. Someone has turned our own immune system into a weapon.
CD4 plus cytokines, T-cell activation. What am I even investigating? I've never seen this type of crime. Dr. Reed, Detective Carter here. I've been doing some reading. This cytokine profile you mentioned. Can you explain more about that? How is that related to this immune system problem you are studying?
Detective, cytokines are like messages used by immune cells to talk to each other. Think of them as messengers. In autoimmune diseases, we see a problem, too many, too few, or the wrong kinds of messages being sent. It's like a broken phone system, leading to immune cells attacking the body's own parts.
The levels of TNF-alpha and IL-6 are very high. This isn't just a strange immune response, it's a big problem.
And look at this. The amount of Th17 compared to Tregs is very unbalanced. The Th17 cells cause inflammation, and the Tregs, which are supposed to control them, are being stopped. This is what is causing the immune system to attack itself. It's a planned attack, taking over our immune system's controls. Someone understands these systems very well.
Miss Dubois, did you see anything strange in the lab recently? Anything unusual?
Not really. Just Dr. Reed has been working late, and Jian, he's been keeping secrets lately. He seems really interested in the Thr17 cell lines.
The security camera footage shows someone using a code that belongs to a researcher who worked here a long time ago but was fired. Does that sound familiar?
No, that's not my code, or Jan's. He was fired because he wasn't doing his work the right way. He was working on a treatment for immune system problems, something he could never prove worked.
That's Dr. Silas Thorne. I heard stories about him, about his strange methods and some missing experiments. It was in the old files. I looked him up. He was working on changing the Th17/Treg balance, trying to stop the immune system from attacking itself, so that must be the connection. I have to say, he was very smart.
Thorne could have discovered something amazing, but did he go too far and turn the immune system into a weapon instead? And was this attack his way of getting back at people? We're not just fighting a bad guy, we're fighting a war inside our bodies, and the battlefield is our own bodies. The key is the T-cell receptor. The way the signal is getting stronger is skipping over the normal safety checks. Thorne must have found a way to turn on only the bad T-cells.
And he's doing it through a new type of hidden compound. The way it targets those T-cell receptors is clever and scary.
This guy was really into immunology and getting revenge. He had plans to spread it around the world, targeting older people and those who are sick. Jian, look closely at the cytokine profile of the first samples. I think there might be something important we didn't see.
That's it. Thorne didn't use something to make it stronger. He used something to stop the normal controls. That is why the immune system is attacking itself without stopping.
You used your science to hurt people. Your smarts made you dangerous, and you're going to be punished for your bad actions. You will never understand. They are all going to pay for what they did to me. I will make them suffer just like I did.
Our immune system can heal us, but it can also hurt us if someone messes with it. We have learned an important lesson about being careful, keeping our immune systems balanced, and the bad things that happen when that balance is messed up.